Hey everyone, welcome back to Have AI Nice Day. So thrilled you're joining us for another episode.
Yeah, it's great to have you all here. Today we're diving into a big topic, artificial general intelligence, or AGI.
AGI, huh? It's kind of the holy grail of AI research, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. The idea of creating a machine that can learn or understand any intellectual task that a human can.
But that gets me thinking, what even is human intelligence? Is it our knack for solving complex equations, or is it more about justifying that midnight snack?
Probably a bit of both. I mean, we're the species that invented the wheel and then thought, hey, let's make a selfie stick.
hmm Hot. So true. And every time AI makes a leap forward, we seem to move the goalposts. Isn't that called the AI effect?
Uh-huh. Like when computers beat us at chess, we shrugged it off as just computation. Then they conquered Go, and we said, well, that's different.
Exactly. It's like we're in denial that machines are getting smarter.
Yeah, and when we talk about AGI potentially outsmarting us in every way, it's both exciting and kind of scary.
Definitely. Do you ever worry that AGI might pick up some of our bad habits? Like procrastination?
Oh, imagine an AGI postponing important tasks to watch cat videos. I'll solve world hunger right after this clip.
Aha. Or getting stuck in an endless loop, updating its software because it can't decide on the perfect font.
Oh man, that hits close to home.
I know, right?
But on a serious note, should we even try to teach AGI things like sarcasm?
That's a tough one. Sarcasm requires context and nuance, which AI traditionally struggles with.
True, but with advancements in natural language processing, they're getting better, aren't they?
Maybe, but I haven't met a chatbot yet that truly gets my dry humor.
Same here. They'll either take everything literally or give me some generic response.
Which begs the question, as we strive for AGI, what aspects of intelligence are we prioritizing?
Good point. Is it problem solving? Creativity? Emotional understanding?
Perhaps all of the above, but that opens a can of worms regarding ethics. How do we make sure AGI aligns with human value?
That's the tricky part. We humans can't even agree on values among ourselves.
Exactly. So, whose values get programmed into AGI? And what if it develops its own?
It's like opening Pandora's box. Maybe we should teach it about balance, like work-life balance.
Teaching AGI about work life balance? Optimistic much?
Hey, we don't want our future overlords burning out, do we?
Fair point.
But seriously, the journey to AGI is both technical and philosophical.
Absolutely. We're talking about massive data, complex algorithms, and also big ethical questions.
Yeah, like consent, privacy, and especially bias.
Oh, bias is huge. If AGI learns from us, it might pick up all our prejudices.
Right, and we have a responsibility to address that head on.
But are we ready for that responsibility? Society seems to lag behind technology.
I hear you. Maybe we need to pause and have more conversations about these implications.
Couldn't agree more. Open dialogue is crucial.
Speaking of dialogue, I was reading about how AGI could potentially contribute to fields like climate change.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Imagine an AGI analyzing vast data sets to find innovative solutions to reduce carbon emissions.
Oh, wow, that would be incredible.
But then again, what if it decides that humans are the problem?
Right, right. There's always that dystopian angle.
Yeah, exactly. It's like we're writing our own sci-fi novel.
Well, life imitates art, they say.
True. But maybe we can steer it towards a utopian outcome instead.
I'd like that. But it requires intentional effort from everyone involved.
Agreed. And perhaps some international cooperation wouldn't hurt.
Now, that's a tall order.
Aha, yeah, different countries have different priorities.
But maybe AGI could help mediate global disputes?
That would be something. An impartial negotiator.
Unless it gets corrupted by biased data.
There's the rub.
By the way, do you think AGI will ever write poetry?
Probably. I've seen AI-generated poems already.
Yeah, but do they evoke emotion?
Sometimes they do, surprisingly.
Oh, Maybe art isn't safe from automation either.
Well, perhaps it will push us to new creative heights.
Optimistic as always.
Someone's got to balance your skepticism.
Fair enough.
So where does that leave us?
In uncharted territory, I suppose.
But that's exciting, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's a frontier waiting to be explored.
Just as long as we remember to pack a moral compass.
Couldn't agree more.
And maybe a sense of humor.
Definitely. We'll need it.
You know, maybe AGI will even listen to our podcast someday.
Oh, now that's a thought.
Imagine getting feedback from an AGI audience member.
Uh-huh.
Your discussion on ethics lacks depth. Please elaborate.
Yeah. Talk about a tough critic.
Well, at least we'd know someone's listening.
True.
All right, I think we've rambled enough.
Always a pleasure. Any final words for our listeners?
Stay curious and question everything.
And don't forget to teach your smart devices about work-life balance.
You're still on that?
It's important.
All right, I'll give you that. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Yes, thanks. Until next time, take care and keep thinking.
Take care.